the respiratory system, and the disease, emphysema. The primary function of the respiratory system is to supply oxygen to all the parts of our body. The system fills blood with oxygen and the blood delivers the oxygen to all the parts of the body. When we breathe, we inhale oxygen and exhale carbon dioxide. This exchange of gases is the respiratory system's means of getting oxygen to the blood. Well, now you are probably thinking, what organs make up the respiratory system? First is the nose. This is the primary upper respiratory organ in which air enters into and exits from the body. Then is the pharynx. Air can enter into the lungs through the mouth, positioned behind the oral and nasal cavity. Then it's the larynx. It has two main functions, a passageway for air and a source of vocalization. Now the left bronchi and the right bronchi allow the passage of air to the lungs. The lungs are organs located on both sides of the chest cavity. Respiration is the primary function, which includes the transfer of oxygen to the bloodstream and the release of carbon dioxide. Now the alveoli is really small. It's tiny grape-like sacs at the end of the respiratory tree. The exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide gases occurs at the alveolar level. At last, the diaphragm. This structure is located between the thoracic and abdominal cavity. Inhalation causes the chest to expand. During exhalation, the release of the diaphragm causes the chest to contract. Now in emphysema, the lungs have alveoli, which are very important. The first thing to happen is inflammation of the alveoli caused by inhaled irritants. These irritants cause a loss of elasticity of the lung due to the destruction of elastin, a protein in the lungs. The elastin is destroyed and the lungs pressure loss causes the lungs to hyperinflate. So in conclusion, emphysema causes shortness of breath due to the overinflation of the alveoli.